Hi, welcome to my course about how to draw animals. Before we get started, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about myself. I have about 27 years drawing experience. I've worked in the animation industry, I've worked as a freelance illustrator, and I've had my illustrations and drawings published on the internet, on clothing, in books, and a bunch of other places. So what I really wanted to do with this course though was not just talk about drawing but also bring my passion for animals into it. And what we're going to cover in this course is basic drawing fundamentals, animal anatomy, how to draw a bunch of different species, and we're going to cover a number of different rendering techniques so you can make those species look quite realistic. Most of the videos that are in this course actually involve me talking to you as I draw, and you're going to be able to not just follow and learn from what I tell you, but you're also going to be able to follow my non-verbal cues. You'll be able to look at how my hand moves as I draw and learn from that as well. The students who do the best from this course are those who will actually have a pencil and paper in front of them as they watch the videos, and some of them like to rewind the course or pause and then draw what I've just drawn, or they may just play the video throughout and try and keep up with me. You can do it any way you want, but I highly recommend that you have a pencil and paper in front of you and try to follow along as you watch the videos, because that's how you're going to get the most out of it. So, without further ado, let's get started.